Hey, McKinley.
What's your dream?
If you dream about pursuing a career in construction, maintenance, welding, a welding engineer, or weld inspector or tester, then your dream starts here. My name is Todd Hoover, and I'm the weld instructor at Kansas City Schools.
Our welding technology students are detail-oriented and love to build things with their hands. They have a strong attention to detail, a focused desire to learn about the trades, and they know that at CTE at Kansas City Schools is where their dreams begin.
Join us. You'll learn how to use various tools like a blowtorch or automated machinery to join materials together. You will also study and execute designs and blueprints calculating the exact specifications and dimensions of what and how materials need to be welded together. You will work on welding projects for clients and create a variety of design-specific content to practice your skills on.
After earning your welding credentials, students can earn an entry-level wage of more than $50,000 per year straight out of high school.
Get started today, and don't worry if your dreams are big. We know just how to help you achieve them. Dream big with CTE at Kansas City Schools.